Hey folks, so this is the third video that you've got in the section on polynomials, the introduction to polynomials. And this is a video about extrema. Extrema is just a fancy word for maximums and minimums. You might have two different types of maxes and mins. The first type is possibly going to be the max or the min points. Max or min points. These are going to be x, y's. They're always going to be written as coordinates. You might also be asked for max-min values, and in this case, this is a y value only. It is not a coordinate. Now, I'd like for you to take a look at the graph that I have here. This is a polynomial. And in this polynomial, you'll notice that I've got several different maxes and mins marked. The first one that I want to look at is this guy right here. I realize he is not the most maximum point in the whole entire graph, but when you're talking about his own little local neighborhood, he is the top guy in his own little local neighborhood. So we're going to call this guy a local maximum. Same thing with the next one. He is also a local maximum because in his own little neighborhood, he is locally the top point. And then same for this last one here. He is locally a maximum. Now you notice that I have two other spots marked, and those are both going to be local minimums. Again, I realize that this guy that I've circled is not the most minimum point, but locally in his own neighborhood, he is a minimum. So my embedded question for this video, is there a point that is higher than any of the others? Is there a point that is lower than any of the others? And what we're going to do is we're going to be calling those absolute maximums or absolute minimums. So the embedded question, do you have any absolute maximums on this graph? Do you have any absolute minimums on this graph? And then explain your yes or no. Don't just say yes or no, but explain why you answer what you did.